Hello, good morning, students. I am Swati Shabnam, your teacher of English. Students, today in this chapter, we are going to discuss a story whose name is A Tale of Two Birds. So, students, after reading this story, you will learn a very beautiful moral, a very beautiful lesson. What that lesson will be? The lesson is that your company, means whether you choose a good company or a bad company, your personality depends on that. Means if you choose the company of good person, you will be a good person, and if you will choose the company of bad people, then you will be a bad person. It means what? Everything, your behavior, your nature, your way of talking, everything depends on the company you choose. So it is on your hand that whether you want to be a good person or a bad person. If you want to be a good person, you should choose a good company, you should live in the company of good people. But if you choose the company of bad people, for sure you will be a bad person. So this is what is the moral of this story. Now let us discuss what this story is all about. So students, let me tell you that this is the story of a bird, right? Actually the story is of two birds. Okay, so what happens? There was a bird. Okay, it was a mother bird, a female bird, and it has given birth to two little birds, means it has two babies. Now what happens? One day in the forest where they used to live, its nest was on a very tall tree. So in that forest, what happens? There comes a very big storm. The wind was blowing very hard, it was thundering in the sky, it was lightning in the sky. So what happens? Due to which the mother bird was not able to come to its nest. Suppose here was the nest of the bird, but what happens? Due to storm, the mother bird was not able to come to its nest, come to its home. That is why she lives somewhere else. And here what happens? In this nest there lived two little birds, the children of that mother bird. So what happens? In that storm, in that wild wind, in that strong wind, both these birds get separated, they become separated from each other. So one bird goes near the cave of robbers. Robbers means the person who loots, लुटेरा जिसको कहते हैं. So one bird goes near the cave means what? Gufa. So one bird goes near the cave of the robbers, and another bird falls near the house, near the hut of a saint, of a rishi. Right. So what happens? One day the king comes in the forest in order to prey, in order to hunt. Hunt means shikar karna. So the king was running after a deer in order to hunt it, in order to kill it. At the same time, what happens? The king becomes very tired and he sits near a tree. Now what happens? The cave of the robber was just near the tree. So the bird which had gone to the cave of the robbers, it had become very big, because it had already been a lot of months that the bird had come there. So that is why what happens? The king sits near the tree, under the tree, and that big bird saw the king. Okay, so that bird was living with whom? It was living with robbers who were very bad person. So that is why he has accompanied all the qualities, he has taken all the qualities of the robbers. He only knew bad things, he only used abusive language. That is why he was a bad bird. It has not any good quality. So what happens? The king was sitting there. At the same time, he listens the voice of the bird which was coming from the tree. So what that voice was saying, the big bird, the brown big bird was saying that, hey, king is here, let us go and rob the king. So the king becomes surprised where the voice is coming from. So he looks upward and finds the bird sitting over there. So the king becomes scared and he ran away from there. He runs away from there. So taking away his horse, he goes to the near the house, near the hut of the rishi. So there also he finds the bird. This bird was also very big. It was of brown color. Okay, so the previous bird was also of the same color, of brown color. So when the king saw this bird, he was very surprised. And do you know how this bird used to talk? This bird used to live with Rishi. He used to live with the sand. So that is why he has learned the good way of talking. Okay, that is why the bird tells the king that, welcome sir. He welcomes the bird. He welcomes the king. He says, welcome sir. And then he also says that you look tired, so you must take some water and you can take my food also. So the way of talking of this bird was very good and the king was very impressed by it. Okay, so the king was very surprised that this bird is looking like the same bird which was talking in a very bad way, and this bird is talking in a very good way. What is it? So he was not able to understand. Then the rishi comes. Okay, so the rishi explains him everything, that king, lord means maharaj, do you know that this bird and that bird both are the sons, both are the children of the same mother, but because that bird is born and that bird is brought up in the bad companion, that is why he has acquired all the bad qualities, and because this bird is living with me, so I have given him all the good qualities. That is why he talks in a very good way. That is why he welcomes everybody whosoever comes here and asks for food and water. So the king understands everything and he becomes very happy after listening to the answer of the rishi. Okay, so students, this was the story, this was the summary of this chapter. So as I told you in the very beginning, that what is its moral? That if you will, the moral is that if you will choose the company of bad people, then you will also become a bad person. But if you choose the company of good people, then you also become the good person. So students, what you have to do, you always have to choose a very good companion. You have to do friendship with good boys, good girls, so that you can also be a good person in future. So students, hope you all have understood this chapter clearly. Thank you.